It's just a civil violation. There's nothing criminal about it. You can't even go to jail for this, okay? They just treat it like a bill. They want you to pay it.
The video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
Sliding V8 the motor.
What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy SRTJD back with another banger, man. I haven't even told y'all, man, I ordered a lot of mods for the Hellcat. A lot of the stuff is coming in today and tomorrow, but my first mod that came in, y'all, was this right here, which is a skip shift eliminator. So in the manual cars, typically when it's a little colder outside, the car will force you to go from first gear to fourth gear. And this could be dangerous, especially if you're trying to get on the highway, if you're trying to take off from a light and the car forcing you to go in the fourth from first. You're not gonna have that much power to even drive the car. So with that being said, this simple little mod right here is gonna allow us to have access to every gear at any speed. When I'm sliding, racing, whatever it is, I'm gonna be able to go into whatever gear I need to go into, man. So simple mod. I think also coming today is my cold air intake. I'm not sure yet, but we got a whole lot of mods on the way, y'all. Catalyst mids, diffuser, intake, all types of stuff for the Hellcat, man. We about to go crazy, y'all. Know how we do it. Click that like button, click that sub button, and I'm finna take y'all with me, man, so we can go install this part. About to go ahead and jack the car up. This should really take like 5 minutes, y'all. This should not be a hard install. It's literally just plug and play, man. You know what I'm saying? So we finna jack the Hellcat up and install this thing, man. Let's do it. Now let's get up under this giant and see, can we find what we need, man? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just want to show y'all exactly what we doing. So look, so as y'all know, this is the catalyst. I said catalyst. This is the cats right here. So you're gonna go to your transmission brace, go to this screw, and go directly up. And as y'all see, that is what we unplugging and replacing with the skip shift eliminator. I already got it out, so we just gonna pull that junk on down. Boom, just like that. So as y'all see, this end is out, and then we just gotta literally put the skip shift eliminator in the middle and hook it up to that white port right. So this is a real easy thing to do, y'all. The hard part is getting on the ground or using a lift if you got one, but I ain't that rich yet, y'all. I don't got a lift yet. Let's go with this one. Ah! That's hot, bro. Why is the transmission hot? I ain't even drove it. I drove it like 2-3 hours ago. All right, y'all, let's stop being a little girl. Ooh, that transmission hot, boy. Come on, Jay. You gotta do it, cuz. You gotta do it, Jay. All right, so as y'all see, YouTube, those little blue things is the skip shift eliminator. I would zip tie it, but I don't think it's really necessary because this wire is holding it back from touching anything. So I'm probably just gonna leave that junk like this, y'all. I really think it's good. It's both ends clipped in. Yeah, that should be smooth, man. Very easy install. Yeah, now we can get away from up under this car. Ugh. Boy. So that means now I shouldn't be locked out of any gear. at any speed. And yeah, man, you pay for all 6 gears. That's what you should be able to use, y'all. So that was really the reason I got this mod. But now we're just gonna wait until my new cold air intake come in. This intake is so trash to me. So as y'all see, like the intake is literally like squeezing itself together. Like it's so weird, I don't know. But yeah, we got the JLT on the way. This is so trash. We definitely taking that off. Got an oil catch can on the way. That's getting installed. So yeah, man, stay tuned, man. Hellcat build coming along.
6.5 hours later.
We just had a special delivery of the big intake for the Hellcat, man. I'm super excited. I'm like a little kid on Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Look at how big the box is. That K&N box is not touching this at all, cuz. You hear me? Yeah, y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know what time it is. So we finna go out here and take off the old intake and put this gen on. Breathe easy. Your engine and warranty are protected. Ain't that a great message? Alright, YouTube, so as y'all see, I got the old cold air intake off, and that filter is super dirty. And yeah, man, now we finna put the JLT in. Real quick. It really was easier than I thought. Alright, y'all. So far, I just got the JLT box installed. So just look at the different sizes. So this box was partially closed, not really closed. And the JLT is closed all the way around. And it actually goes like all the way down there. Whereas this one was just kind of, yeah, mid. And this is another thing I want to show y'all. Look at the filter size difference. So I'm pretty sure this one was a little bigger when it was brand new, but this is still a bigger intake, you know what I'm saying? And it looked better. So yeah, Sersky, we in the game, y'all. Alright, YouTube, as y'all see, out with the old and with the new, man. JLT, way bigger, like tube, you feel me? This tube was super skinny. So we're gonna get more airflow to the supercharger, bigger filter, a more closed off box with the clear little glass thing so we can see the filter from the hood, you feel me? Alright, let's close it and make sure it fit though. First time closing the hood. Oh my goodness. Something ain't right, y'all. Hold on. Interesting. Alright, y'all. So as y'all see, the hood not closing. So we gotta fix that real quick. Hold up. Alright, YouTube. I solved our problem. So I put this bumper all the way down. And I raised this bumper all the way up. So when I put the hood down, it should sit. But this is a huge intake though, y'all. So it's like so snug in there, bro. It's crazy. So we just gonna have to do without this. We might actually leave the K&N one on. Yeah, see the K&N is actually like inside. So we're gonna use this one instead of the JLT. Okay, so now we put the K&N vent blocker back in there because the JLT one just was too bulky. So now we're gonna see, can we close the hood again? 3rd time's a charm, y'all. Y'all see we got the hood down and it's not like, it is actually going up a little bit. It's so slight that you can't even see it, but I think after the hood being on the intake for long periods of time, it'll break itself in and, you know, bend and move with the car. So we in the game, man. New intake, skip shift eliminated. I think my oil catch can come in tomorrow. My catalyst mids come in tomorrow. Yeah, we got some other stuff, but oh, my diffuser, that come in tomorrow too. So I'm finna go get y'all some driving clips so y'all can hear the supercharger, get y'all some revs, you feel me? And then yeah, man, that's it. All right, y'all, we finna get y'all first pull with the new intake, you feel me? Yeah, I know I'm gonna have to shift, so I don't know how this gonna look. This might be a little rocky, cuz We in the big Hellcat, man. I got the little yes, sir. There go 12, cuz. There go 12. I can't even turn up. Just trying to show the YouTube the intake, that's all. Alright, bet he's going that way. That's perfect, y'all. Oh, CTSV? That boy just went crazy. I'm gonna leave my seatbelt on, y'all. See if I can get y'all another pull real quick. Your boy did it again. No, actually I'm capping, y'all. This is my first time ever doing the quarter intake, but hey, I did it, man. Intake in the car, it sound good. I'm finna pull up and give y'all some revving videos. Yeah, stay tuned, y'all. We got a lot more mods on the way, man. Pumping that content out, you feel me?
Few moments later.
I just got pulled over. That's at 45. But bro said it's on 53. Anywho, y'all. Quarter intake sound crazy. I'm about to get on the highway, and I was gonna show y'all the intake, but he just wanted to pull somebody over, bro. I could tell. But whatever. You install the quarter intake, you get pulled over as soon as you install it. This is crazy work. Crazy work, YouTube. I literally was driving just because I put it on, just to test it, bro. Hey, look, I'm gonna record this because this is for anybody who want to buy a Hellcat.
We're just gonna say you're going 5 over the speed limit, okay? So just 40 into 35.
I appreciate that.
It's just a civil violation. There's nothing criminal about it. You can't even go to jail for this, okay? They just treat it like a bill. They want you to pay it by this day here. You could always pay it before. If you need more time, give them a phone call. Just let them know what's going on.
Yes, sir.
In about 10 days from today, it should be available online. You could scan the QR code with your smartphone or tablet. It'll take you straight to the website, and you can pay it online, be done with it.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, you be safe, okay?
Thank you, you too. Alright, so hey man, shout out to that officer. We got a ticket for 5 over. I mean, I was going 53 in a 45, technically a 35. Like, be for real, man. But hey, man, anyway, we're gonna look on the bright side, as y'all see. Ticket for 5 over. We just gotta pay the ticket, as y'all heard. And yeah, bro. Let me get my car off the side of the road before I get smacked now. I doubt I was going 53, but it is a Hellcat, y'all. As soon as you do a mod to a Hellcat, you getting the first ticket, man. As y'all just saying, first ticket in the Hellcat, y'all. It's crazy because on my other video, I didn't get a ticket, so you know, part of the game, man. Sometimes it be like that. Look at this BMW, y'all. They going crazy. Till they made the cap. Come here, boy. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, this is all AI generated. This is not real life, guys. This is not real life. But I'm still finna get y'all these revving clips real quick, so yeah, man, stay tuned. I did want y'all to hear the intake. It sound good, drive good. The whine is crazy. Leg maker is louder, but performance-wise, JLT is taking the cake, man. So, you know, I want the best of both worlds, bro. You got a Hellcat, I recommend JLT. That JLT gonna do exactly what it need to do, man. No cap. So, W mod, man. I come back from making the videos, this man got somebody else pulled over, bro. Like, get some, like, oh my, do something else, bro. I know it's something else going on out here, bro. Like, I do not understand, bro. But y'all just seen, bro, just sitting out here writing tickets for 5 over. Like, really, nigga? I just know they got something better to do. I just know it. I just know it. It's too much going on in the world, bro. I gotta get my thumbnail, y'all. Alright, bet. Alright, so this is coming up to the end of this video, YouTube. We installed the coder intake today, and we installed the skip shift eliminator. Tomorrow, I got my catalyst mids coming in, oil catch can, diffuser, little other mods, man, I told y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all a whole nother video installing those. But yeah, man, W mod, W video. As y'all see, man, I got a ticket in this video, so that means y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Because I gotta pay for that ticket that y'all just seen me get. So yeah, click that like button, click the sub button, man. Keep God first, chase y'all dreams. SRTJD out.
Sliding it, V8 the motor.